traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola and I am the lead instructor. So I'm going to take you through this video. You see, this strategy is valid for every market. That is how market movement is. You understand? But I personalize this for Crash 300 because it's a kind of market that don't respect a lot of indicators. So a lot of indicators used to fail this particular market. That is why I come up with this pure price action market. It's only contain the support and resistance level with trend line and price psychologies. You understand? So it is useful for to catch spike and to trade the default movement, which is buying. You know, Crash 300 is buy in default, so and sell with spike. You understand? So guys, with what you can see on my screen, you can see that I use my rectangle tools to pick out some levels. You understand? First of all, as a beginner, I want you to have something at the back of your mind before I go deep into this strategy. You understand? So have it in mind that this is how markets move. Markets move resets. You can call it reset, retracement, or correction. You understand? Impulse move, correction. Price did not move in a straight line like this. If it is selling or when it is buying, doesn't just go up, price will surely rest. It will move and retest. Some people call it a correction. Anyhow, any language they use, just know what they mean. So you understand? So your area of interest is when you see the market direction. First of all, you must be able to dictate market direction. So you can see, even a layman that doesn't know anything in forex market, we know that this market is going down, right? So you see that the market is going down heavily. You understand? So where is your own area of interest? Your area of interest is where the markets begin to retest, like where the price begin to rest after the movement. You understand? When the price move, price will rest before it continue the journey. So where the price begin to rest, that is your own area of interest. You'll be waiting for price to get to where it begin to rest, and when it continue the journey, after picking it where it rests, that is where you will pick it with the price, with the market. You understand? For example, now you can see that the price is moving down, moving down, moving down. When it gets here, it started resting, but it failed to break where it begin the rest. So your own area of interest is to be waiting for price to break where it started resting. You understand? And you can see that the price break here, the spike break it. You understand? So after you see a breakout of that resting position of the price, you enter in that same direction. You don't go against direction, against trend. Let me call it trend. For beginner, you can call it direction, but for the traders who know much about price action, we call it trend. So you don't go against trend in the market. You have to follow what others are doing or what the market is doing. Here now, the price is moving down. It started retesting at this level, price consolidating for some minutes, let me say hours, because this is 5 minute time frame, and then it got broken. That is your area of interest. You understand? So but there's something I want to explain. This is 5 minutes. As a scalper, you only pick out this level on 5 minute time frame. Your entry is 1 minute. You understand? So your entry is 1 minute. You can see another one here. When the price continued the movement, it started resting here, and it showed that you want to continue the journey. You understand? That is where you will be waiting. You'll be waiting for price to come back to where they begin to rest. That is when you will know that, okay, the market is continuing the journey. Then you will follow the market with the journey. You have to follow the direction. You can see same thing happen here. Same thing happen here. So now we can patiently be waiting for these two, because we can see this as a retracement. Though when the price want to change the trend, want to move uptrend, it will never break this place. We just continue the trend like this, then it will move up. So you will pick out your tools, your rectangle tools. You should know how to do that. I've explained many videos on how to find your tools. So just pick out the tools, pick out the where the price gets to. You understand? The low and the lowest point the price gets to before the correction begin or resting. You understand? So after dictating that, you'll be patiently waiting on M1. So let's go to M1 and see what we have drawn. So like this first one now, after the breakout, you can see this is the candle that break your structure you have picked in M5. You have seen a spike breaking it. Some trader will wait for retracement, and why some will enter at this level. They will enter from this candle and started selling. You understand? So for who that want to wait for retracement is 50-50. Sometimes the market doesn't retrace, it will get continue the journey, especially in M1. You understand? So it will continue the journey. Why some will wait for retracement? Those that wait for retracement use Fibonacci tools. I have explained how to use Fibonacci tools before. They use Fibonacci tools for the where the impulse move begin, and they target this level 38.2. When the price gets to here, they place their sell. You understand? So and they continue selling. So you can see that the market begin to sell when it gets to 50, but they will have entered the market at 38.2. That is how it works for cashing spike on crash 300. Let's look at another breakout. You can see that this is what break the price out. You understand? But retracement happened before the market continue to sell. You can see that clearly. This is the candle that break it. If you have entered here, you will have accommodate some losses to this level before you now begin the market begin to continue in that trend. So let's look at when you are buying. Let's go back to M5. You can see the market is buying. You can see the line I draw. So you pick out where the retracement begin, just the same movement with when we are cashing spike, but this one is when the spike begin. You know, the market, the default direction of crash is buying, like bullish movement. So when the spike begin, you will pick out that level. So you'll be waiting for that level to go broken. You understand? So you'll be waiting for the level to be break. So when the level break, you go to your M1. You understand? You will only pick out the level on M5, then you go to your M1. So find what you draw. This is what we draw on M1. You understand? So the price, this candle break this candle break the level. You can call it resistance level, but I don't want it to be complicated. That's why I don't use those language. I call it level. It's a resistance level, and the one we did on spike is support level. You understand? So after you confirm the breakout, you wait for 2 or 3 more candle before your entry. You understand? The close of 3, let's say 3 candle before your entry. You understand? Just to give a retracement chance. You understand? So before you enter, and you can see there's a little retracement here. The spike occurred to retest this breakout. You understand? So if you wait for the retracement, you will have entered from the next candle. But if you don't wait for the retracement, it won't take you into lost. Assuming you enter from this candle here, so and this spike happen, it won't take you into loss like that. So just a small red. You understand? So you can see these two, the breakout happen and the retrace don't happen. You understand? So you just wait for 3 candle before you enter. So you can pick, you know, this is crash 300. It is one of the high volatile in boom and crash market. So picking 5 to 10 candle is enough for you when you have like $10 to $20 in your account. But if you have much money in your account, you can stay long in the market. So far you are in the right direction of the market, you are following the trend. So you follow what the market is saying, not that you go against the market. So first of all, get the direction of the market on M5. If you are scalping, you can see this doesn't look good for what I'm explaining. It seems that the market want to change the trend, because at least it's supposed to have begin the continuation, the sign that is going to continue the journey. But now it's getting closer to the first support level that got broken. You understand? So which means that it's possible for the trend to change. You understand? So, but you are less concerned about that. What you are waiting for is this level to got broken. You understand? But if you don't see this level to got broken and you see something like this and the price started consolidating, you may put your level here too. As what I have explained, when you want to buy, then you'll be waiting for that level to get broken. So I assume you understand what I've explained so far. But if you don't understand, you can drop your comment under the comment section or contact me. My contact address is under the description of this video. You understand? But this is purely how markets behave. It doesn't require any indicators. This is just what market returns. You can go back, you can see, go back, do some back testing. You will see that this is what the markets behave. You just put it here. So, and when you see the breakout, you enter. This is how the markets behave. It is what market is saying, not what anybody is saying. You understand? So, and when you are buying at these levels, sorry, when you are buying, you see, okay, fine, we got a sign that this may be a sign of continuation of this trend. So we got a sign here. So there is still hope for the level we pick here, that this level is going to be broken. There's still hope. You understand? But we can't just assume. We don't assume in the market. We do what the market says. You understand? So that is how about the strategy. So guys, I'm going to stop here. Go to your demo account. If you are able to pick those level I pick, and you're able to understand how they react, trust me, you are more than beginner. You understand? You have been in advanced level. You understand? Because that is what we call naked trading. You understand? Naked traders that don't use indicators. So you have already qualified for naked traders. So alright guys, I'm going to stop the video here. Go to your demo account, try to back test, see how the market behave. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.